We see Bruiser walking up to start his next fight.
Matt Davis knows exactly how to get under my skin by putting me in a match against Danny Wolf. Me and Danny Wolf have had some absolute classics, but I don't care if he's friend or foe. I'm getting that world championship no matter who he puts against me. Danny Wolf, come out here. Come on. This match, I don't want to do it any more than anyone else does, okay? But when Matt Davis calls me on my private phone, and on my personal phone, and he says to me that he wants to give me a number 1 contenders match, then you can't let that opportunity go. Because I'd have any opportunity to get in the ring and kick Matt Davis's ass. So, if it means I have to face the Bruiser, someone I now respect, I've hated before, I've loved, and now I just have respect for him as an athlete. Now, I feel like our great matches are just a work of art. And I'll do anything to complete it. As the winner. It comes at a cost. Every piece of art comes at a cost anyway. So no matter what, I'm leaving it all in the ring tonight. If you think it got easy, you haven't. I never wanted it easy.
You heard it here. Respect. Ding, ding, ding. Oh. Okay, Danny Wolf. Oh, what a drop kick by the Bruiser. Oh, Danny. Oh, what a clothesline from Danny Wolf, knocking Bruiser straight off his feet. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, they're just... Bruiser's just laying him with punches. What a clothesline. Danny closely getting to his feet. Oh! What a kick by the Bruiser. A reversal. Oh, what a move by Danny Wolf. Oh, what a punch. Oh, what a throw by Danny. Bruiser off his feet again. Oh, what an elbow. Oh. Oh, what a kick by the Bruiser. Oh, Danny getting swung off his feet. Oh, drop kick to the back of the head. Oh. What another drop kick to the back of the head by the Bruiser. Danny trying his hardest to get to his feet, but Bruiser just won't let him get up. 1, 2. Oh, kick out. Oh, punched himself. Oh! The Bruiser punching himself. What is going on? And the brute strength from Danny Wolf, forcing the Bruiser to hurt himself. Danny getting to his feet, dragging the Bruiser up. Oh, twisting his arms. Oh! Oh, the reversal. Oh, the reversal again. Oh! What a move by Danny Wolf.
Full moon.
Oh no, he's going for the full moon. Oh, full moon to the Bruiser. 1, 2. Oh, kick out.
This is it.
This is it, says Danny Wolf. Oh, the reversal. Oh, by Bruiser. Oh, what a... Looks like an even playing field at this point. Oh, what an uppercut. Oh, what an uppercut again. The third one. Oh. Oh, he's going by the head. Swings him to the ground. Drop kick to the back of the head again. Bruiser struggling to get to his feet. Danny trapped underneath the net. Escaping from the other side. Oh, Bruiser on the apron. Danny Wolf slowly getting to his feet. Oh, looks like they're going outside of the ring. Oh no, not from that height. No, Danny. Oh, head first into the apron. No, Danny, don't. Oh, elbow to the back of the head. Oh, what? 4 elbows. Bloody hell.
That's it. So I won the title. Not again.
Oh. Bruiser to his feet. Oh. 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 Bruiser to his feet. Danny struggling. Bruiser back in the ring. Danny getting to his feet. Oh, Bruiser jumping from the ring to the outside with a spin. Oh. Oh. Oh, Danny with a massive punch to the head. Oh, there's both of them. Oh, exchanging punches. But they both absorbed them with nothing. With no effort. Oh, what a hit from Danny Wolf. Oh, straight into the side of the ring. Goes the Bruiser. Oh, what a knee by Danny. Oh, where's he going? Oh, Danny. Oh, what an elbow to the head. Danny on the wall. Oh, Bruiser. Bruiser on his shoulders. Oh my God. Oh, Bruiser trying to get himself out of this. But looks like Danny Wolf not let him. Oh. Oh, Bruiser's over the wall. Oh, Danny. He's grabbed his legs. Throws him to the side. Oh. Looks like he put his knees up just in time to hit Danny Wolf. Oh, dodges the forearm. Oh, what an elbow. What a kick. Looks like they're both out of breath at this point. Who's gonna...
This is worth it.
So Danny's stalling to the ring. Is Bruiser going to follow him? Looks like Bruiser getting to the ring as well. They meet each other again in the ring. Oh, punch. Oh, slap. Oh. Oh. Punch. Oh, an elbow. Oh, what a punch from the big man, Dummy Wolf. Danny getting to his feet. Bruiser still on the ground. He's up. Oh! What a kick to the head. Danny's stalling to get to his feet. The Bruiser. Oh! What a move. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Yes, Bruiser.
Matt Davies, this is you.